Hello.
Hello friends, welcome to today's video class. Today we are going to be talking about organizing writing. What is organizing writing? Organizing writing is when we group sentences into sections or paragraphs so that they are talking about the same topic. When we group sentences into sections or paragraphs so that they are talking about the same thing. Now, this is a story, and this story has so many sentences, but it has been grouped into one paragraph. Now, this is another story about the same apple. As we can see, it has so many sentences, but it has been grouped into sections or paragraphs. Now we're going to be counting these paragraphs. We have 1, we have 2 paragraphs, we have 3 paragraphs. So this story contains 3 paragraphs. We're going to be reading this story and we are going to be counting the sentences. As we can see, it contains so many sentences which has been grouped. But let's read it. This is an apple. It is a healthy fruit. It is usually red in color, but also available in green. Apple is a very common fruit that is available in every corner. It is true that an apple a day keeps the doctor away because apple keeps us away from sickness. Now let's count the sentences and know how many sentences this story contains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this story contains 5 sentences. Now this is an example. Amber is writing a blog post about tea leaves. Read each detail and then select the section where it fits best. In addition to making tasty drinks, tea leaves can freshen the air. Now, where does this fit in? Of course, it is uses. Now, this is another one. Tea leaves grow on an evergreen bush called chameleon sinus. Of course, it falls into plants. Now, this is an activity for us to try. Bye for now. See you in our next class.